Hey guys, what's up? What's good? It's your girl Shakira. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you are returning. Now, this is a very quick tutorial, so I'm not even gonna waste time. Let's just jump right in. So today I'm going to be styling my headband wig that I got from To All My Black Girls. This is their Brazilian curls, and I have already unboxed this wig in a previous video, but I absolutely love the packaging, so I'm just showing you guys. This is how the wig is looking right now. It is freshly washed, but it doesn't have any products in at the moment because I'm going to be doing some two-strand twist, just a gym hairstyle, because when I'm going to the gym I like to still look put together, and sometimes my natural hair is not always put together and I don't want to style my natural hair just to go to the gym. So a wig is a very good option, but at the same time I really hate when the hair is sticking on my skin, when you're sweaty and stuff like that. So that is why I've decided to do a two-strand twist. I'm gonna be starting to work out a lot, and I figured this is like the perfect hairstyle. So I just spritzed the wig with some water to help the products to evenly distribute, and I'm using my coconut curling cream. And then I'm going in with the moisturizing lock and twist gel. This really helps to have the curls looking really nice, and then to hold it together I'm using my styling gel. I'm using my Cantu products for no particular reason. Please feel free to use whatever products you have. I think almost anything would really and truly get the job done. So while I am twisting my hair, I'm going in with my comb just to make sure the hair is detangled, because although it is a gym hairstyle, you still want it to look somewhat neat. And you guys know me already, I really love when my hairstyle is neat. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm just taking my time, and I'm gonna twist up the whole wig. And I'm using my wig stand and this wig cap that I got from Amazon, and it is really making my job hella easy. And I'm just going back in with more water because the hair is very dry, and it just, like I said, helps the product to distribute a lot easier throughout the hair. And when your product is distributing easier, you don't really use as much as you would if the hair was completely dry. Now, to get my ends to look curly, all I did was spritz some more water, and then I just scrunched the hair together with my hands, and that was basically it. Now, I feel like with a headband wig, one of the things that you really need to get looking very neat is your edges. So I am just going in with my edge control from TGIN. This is currently my favorite edge control. It really does the job. It holds my edges really nice, and I'm not really going too crazy with the edges in this video. Reason is I don't really want my hair to be too dirty and having like edge control and gels and stuff like that. My natural hair is freshly washed as well, as you guys can see, and I just have them in some box braid just as a protective hairstyle until I am ready to style my natural hair. So I'm just doing a little bit more crimping because I really love the look of the curly ends. And this is how the wig is looking inside. The clip at the top, this one right here, I don't really use it because then I would have to like poke it through my hair, and it is really not necessary. So I just use the two clips at the side and the one in the back, mainly the one in the back. Sometimes I don't even use the ones at the side. I feel like the band itself is good enough. This video is sponsored by To All My Black Girls, so shout out to them for hooking me up with this headband wig. And excuse the little mess on my headband. It's not really a big deal, it's just some hair products that got on the band. So I'm just gonna keep playing with it and trying to get it to the placement that I want, trying to make sure it look as neat as possible. And I did not twist the hair too tight at the base of the headband wig because I obviously do not want the tracks showing. And I didn't even have like a proper headband. I tried looking for some at my local beauty supply stores, but I couldn't find any. This is the best thing I found, but I think it still looks very cute. And I'm gonna show you guys just some very quick hairstyles that you can rock as well. So this is basically it, a very quick and easy way to style your headband wig, you know, make it look different. And this actually can pass for my own hair. You guys can probably comment in the comment section and let me know if you guys think it does as well. But yeah, this is basically it. All the information about this headband wig will be in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Make sure you hit the bell, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love and appreciate you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.